Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a Nigeria visa online, or in other terms, you can say Nigerian e-visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Nigeria Immigration Service website. Here, you have the option of sign in. Okay. Log in, fill application form, and make payment. Three steps, very simple. Okay, you can log in using Google OpenID, and let me see if there's a link to create an account. Okay, okay. So you can use OpenID or Google. I'll select Google. So what I did, I logged in using Google, and then I came here. So see, I have no applications as of now. Of course, this is a new account. So when I'm coming here for the first time, I can click create new account. Okay. It's very simple, like three tabs I see. Nationality, whatever it's in your case. Passport type. You do as per your case. I'm just doing sample. I just say multiple entry. Visa class, visiting visa. Okay. Processing country. Mission. Fee is also populated here. Click on continue. Applicant details. What are the things you need? You need to upload your photo here. Title, Mr. Surname, first name, middle name. These are very basic things. I don't need to tell you more about it. They've given instructions also how you can fill up. And next is gonna be reference in Nigeria that you're gonna do. So I don't have to go through. It's very simple. Of course, you'll be uploading your passport and other things later. And then you pay the fee, and from there you can go ahead. Like if I go to dashboard, if you have not paid up, it will appear. You can select and you can pay. And from there, it will give you further instructions about how to go for it. If the instructions say that you need to go for an appointment, that also is gonna appear for here. That is how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.